Now, on Friday when the market closed, as soon as you notice that NEO finished the day trading at $4.92, up 1.86%, and after market hours it went up 1.22%. I mean, one thing that even the technical guys are saying, I'm not a technical guy, but they are all saying one thing. They are saying one song, and that is this could be the massive recovery onto the new share price that we've been waiting for. And in the last 2 weeks, I must say, NEO has been doing so well. Now, before we dig deep, please like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you have not done so, because on this channel all day, every day, giving you latest developments onto the NEO stock. And today it's Sunday, and yeah, hopefully we get to see tomorrow at market open NEO continuing with the uptrend, right? I mean, NEO in the last month, if you did not know, NEO in the last month has went up 43.47%. Year to date, when you have a look at the chart, year to date NEO it's up 8%, and in the last 52 weeks NEO share price is up 11%. This is something that is great, man, because again we get to be reminded of where NEO is at versus where it was at beginning of this year and 52 weeks or a year ago. I mean, when you look into the market share of NEO, right, at the end of Friday trading session, it was $10.92 billion. And now when you go to XPeng market share is at $18 billion, $18.2 billion, and Leoro market share is at $30 billion, meaning that wherever NEO is trading at, or whatever the market value of NEO, it's still very far off from the market value of XPeng, because NEO is not yet at $11 billion and XPeng is over $18 billion, almost 2 times the market cap of NEO. Leoro, yes, maybe we can say because they are profitable, they have got a market cap of $30 billion. But look, man, NEO, it's still undervalued. If you think whatever rally that we've been seeing onto NEO, it's now par, or it's maybe now at a place where we can say they are in the same pace with the other Chinese EV stocks. I think we have to think again, because number one, NEO are not just selling cars. They've got a NEO power segment that is able to, of course, generate them revenues, and NEO has got battery swapping station, which is an infrastructure that is very much unique from the other EV cars, right, or EV car companies, which is absolutely great. And because of that infrastructure alone, man, the last time NEO valued that infrastructure, I think they were at what, 2,000, just over 2,000 battery swapping stations. NEO valued it around $2 billion. And I can tell you now they are sitting at over 3,400 battery swapping stations. The value, we can safely say it's almost at $4 billion for NEO power alone. And mind you, hold on, this includes, NEO power includes the charging infrastructure and battery infrastructure. Yes, XPeng has got their own battery chargers or battery infra. They've got their own chargers. Leoro also is deploying their own chargers, but all of the new energy vehicle cars globally, they don't have battery swapping stations, which is what should give NEO at least a bit of a push ahead of these other new energy vehicle cars, because battery swapping station, it is so unique onto NEO in a way that those that are in the same industry, EV car companies, since they don't have this kind of technology, NEO should be valued, I suppose, more than them. So, but anyways, I'm not here to talk about the battery swapping infrastructure, but I'm here to talk about the share price, right? Share price wise, in the last 2 weeks, NEO has been doing so great. In the last month alone, NEO is up 43 point or over 43%, which is pretty good, pretty interesting, because 3 weeks ago NEO was trading at $3.60. I mean, in NEO, if you did not know, it has got a 52-week low of $3. I think almost on the dot, with the 52-week high of over $7. So the volatility onto this stock, it's real, right? And therefore, buying this stock, you need to know that you are going to buy also the volatility that comes with this stock, which is something that is great, which is something that must make you not to panic sometimes when you see sharp falls, sharp drops, because we already know that NEO it's a stock that is quite volatile. So my dear friends, me, I'm happy, me, I'm excited, and I think we should brace ourselves for what's still coming. I think this week we are going to see more of the upsurge once again than the share price dropping, right? We are going to see more of the green than red, which is something that makes me look forward into this week. Hopefully, as NEO is surging, you are not one of those retail investors that sold on a red, that sold at $3 because you thought NEO was not going to recover. This is why it's important to always be up to date with the latest developments, latest fundamentals onto EV makers like NEO, because if you don't have the right information or enough information, sometime you will get to obviously realize that, look man, you made a harsh decision, maybe you shouldn't probably have sold NEO, which is a mistake that most of us have done in previous stocks that we once owned. But me, I've made a decision together with the other retail investors that obviously you'll see them commenting sometime to say long term we will win. Blue Sky is coming to say that they are in this for the long term. We realize that regret is worse than failure, and we rather fail than regret at a later stage where we did not invest enough onto NEO, right? So me, I'm happy, man. I'm excited, and I think we are in it for a good gain, man. And we've been beaten down for quite some time. NEO has been the EV stock that is mostly undervalued, and it is high time that we see NEO catching up in terms of the share price going to the market, or to catch up to the market cap that you will see some of these EV stocks like Xpeng do have. Because look, NEO is also doing the most. NEO is also has got a massive potential to make it big in the fast growing EV space in China. And look man, it's only the beginning, and hopefully, like I said, the share price will continue seeing it improving even in this going in this week, which is something that is great. Like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell me what you think. It takes me some time to make videos like this. I'll see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.